Peace family, welcome to our Friday analysis. So let's start by analyzing Nasdaq. So on a weekly, let me just do this and drag this up to here. Okay, so on a weekly we are on an uptrend, and then let's go to our 4 hour. So on a 4 hour we had this huge drop to the downside, and then let me just block this. So we have this zone here. Let me just extend this zone. Yeah, right here is fine. So let's go to the hourly. And then let me do this. Okay, so what I'm going to look out for is a retest around these areas and then continue to sell, potentially up to here. Okay, so that's my analysis for Nasdaq. And then let's go to GBPJPY, and then on a weekly and then our overall trend on the weekly is we are on an uptrend. And then let's go to 4 hour. And then let me block this. So on the 4 hour we had this huge push to the downside, and then we have this zone right there. Let me fix this zone. Yeah, this zone right there. So let's go to the hourly. Then let me just do this. Okay, so what I would like to see is a pullback around these areas and then continue to sell, and then potentially up to this double bottom right here. I would like to see something like this. So that's my analysis for GBPJPY. And then let's go to EURJPY, and then on a weekly and then let me block this. So on a weekly we are on an uptrend, and then let's go to our 4 hour, and then let me just block this so that we can see our candlesticks clearly. So what I'm seeing currently, I'm seeing this support area right here, and then let's go to the hourly. So since we failed to break this resistance around here, hey, what's happening with this thing? Since we failed to break this resistance around here, forming this double bottom, we push to the downside. So what I'm going to expect even for today is even still to push to the downside until this support area right here. So then from here I will see what the market is going to do. Maybe give us something like maybe double bottom and then push to the upside, or maybe the market is going to break and then retest and then continue to sell. But we'll see how the market is going to behave as it's going to reach this area right here. So that's my analysis for EURJPY. And then let's go to gold. And then on a weekly, so on a weekly we are on an uptrend. And then let's go to our 4 hour. Then let me pull up this. So on a 4 hour, I don't quite see the structure clearly. Let's go to the hourly. So on the hourly, we have this support area right there. Okay, so seems like now we broke this support area, and then seems like we're coming to retest this former support area now being a resistance, and now we're going to push to the downside, potentially up to there. So that's my analysis for gold at the moment. And then let's go to EURUSD. And then on a weekly, so for EURUSD on a weekly, we are on an uptrend. And then let's go to our 4 hour. So on a 4 hour, let me just block this again. So on a 4 hour, we have this zone right there, this support area right there. So let's go to hourly. And then let me just drag this up to here. Okay, so we have this support area, and then we finally broke this support area. So it seems like now we're coming to tap into this former support area, and then we're going to push to the downside. And then potentially up to let's go to our 4 hour. And then let me just block this. Maybe even potential up to here, because we still have this right here, still having this zone right here, unless if we finally break this zone, and then that's going to be something else, but potential up to there. Then let's go to hourly. So currently that's my analysis for EURUSD. And then let's go to USDJPY. And then on a weekly, so on a weekly we are on an uptrend. and then let's go to our 4 hour. So on a 4 hour, last time we had this support area, and I was so confident that the market was going to push to the upside, but the market decided to be the market and do what's best, and then it went all the way downside. So let's analyze again. Let's go to the hourly. So on the hourly, we have this support area right here, and then we try to break this support area, but we failed. And then it seems like currently we broke this support area, and then if we are selling, then there's a possibility that we can sell to the downside. And then potentially up to there. So that's my analysis for USDJPY. And then let's go to GBPUSD, and then on a weekly, so on a weekly we are on an uptrend. And then let's go to our 4 hour. So let me just block this. So on a 4 hour, there isn't like much we can do. Let's go to the hourly. So on the hourly, things are starting to make sense. So last time we had this zone right here. So I said that since we had this zone right here, this wasn't here. I was expecting the market to either push to the upside around here, or even break, retest, and then continue. And then this didn't happen, so this actually happened. So I was glad about that. So what do we do for now? Let me see. Let me just erase this, and then currently have this zone right there, this being our tiny support area. Finally broke this, and then we came to retest, and then it seems like there's a possibility that we can push to the downside, maybe even take out these areas right here, but we'll see. Okay, so that's my analysis for Friday analysis. Have a great weekend. Tap in.